Good morning, everybody. We are in beautiful San Diego. Look at what I have behind me. Two beautiful LaFerraris, a Senna. We have over 120 cars, a lot of hypercars, and a lot of other cars. Fastlane is now becoming the biggest car club in the world. Today we're raising money for Make-A-Wish Foundation. We are already at $250,000, so it's just incredible. We're gonna do a drive, and we're gonna finish at Viejas. I'm so excited to be with everyone on the drive. So if you want to join, go in the link in the description, leave a comment. We'd love to have you part of Fastlane.
Honestly, I have interacted with so many people here from all the different chapters, and that's my favorite part of this. So I've driven this road before. It was a great time, so that'll be fun. But I think the networking piece is always my favorite part of these multi-chapter events.
We plan a lot of our December around doing this event every year so that we can be with our family. We've got friends from Arizona, friends from Bay Area, Vegas, obviously San Diego. It's something that we really love every year.
I always like the sleepovers because we get to hang out afterwards, have dinner and drinks, and really get to hang out with everyone and have a great time.
This is the event that I look forward to seeing every single year.
Here from Chicago and was looking to connect with like-minded people. It's just been really phenomenal. Everyone's really nice and kind and just excited about just living. And I made a decision a long time ago. I was going to get busy living, and Fastlane Drive has done exactly that for me.
Right now, we are at the stop at Lake Entro in beautiful California. I have so many cars around me, I don't know what to do.
Which car are you driving today?
The beautiful Revelto, look at this. V12, 1001 horsepower.
And what's your favorite part about the car?
It's actually the V12 and that sound, and a little surprise is gonna come to that sound soon.
And what are we doing tonight after the drive?
So we're raising money for charity, we're doing that for Supercar Run, and we're also doing this for Make-A-Wish. We already raised 250. How much do you think we're gonna be at tonight?
I'm hoping at least 300,000. That's our goal, right?
That's our goal.
Yep, let's get there.
Perfect. What are you driving today?
We are driving a classic Ford Bronco by my company.
So what's the name of the company?
Velocity.
Velocity Restoration. We're gonna put the link in the description. Please present this beauty.
So this is a 1969 Bronco. We build from mid-60s to early 70s, but they all come out a very similar way. But the idea of this car is it's got that vintage classic appeal, but all with re-engineered. So brand new chassis, brand new engine, sits in a 5-liter Coyote with a 10-speed gearbox, all from Ford Performance. We do all of the bodywork, all of the paint, all of the leather inside.
What are you looking the most about 2026 with Fastlane?
I think the biggest value add for me joining Fastlane is not necessarily the cars, but like the value that you get being in the right rooms, meeting the right people. This game is all about being in the right rooms and get around people that inspire you and are doing big things. And if you can do that, it's not a matter of if, it's just a matter of when.
The number one thing, I want to thank you all. Big round of applause for Viejas for hosting us, please. It's been 6 years in a row we are saying when Fastlane is 7 years, so thank you again for having us. So far, we raised over $250,000 and we want to continue. So please, big round of applause for that, for everybody who give us money. It's for Make-A-Wish. It's a really great foundation. We love it. The spirit of Fastlane Drive, the best member of the year. And I want everybody to do a big round of applause. This person traveled the whole world with us this year. So please, everybody cheer up for Curtis. Congratulations, you are a really good friend, really good member. So another one, we have Los Angeles. Same thing. Remember, we travel a lot. Always bringing good vibes, having fun, always positive. So for the winner of the Spirit of Fastlane Los Angeles, I want a big round of applause for Izu! Hey everybody, it's Sunday and I'm completely tired. Woke up at 5 a.m. to watch Lando win. That was absolutely crazy. And as you can see, we are closing Fastlane. It was a 7 years holiday party and what a weekend. No clickbait, just fun, the blast with everybody. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on the next video.